Welcome to our paneer factory. Join us as we take you through the journey of crafting fresh, high-quality paneer with care and technology. The manifest checks out against the weighbridge.
Confirmed. Batch 007 is good to go.
We need to fast-track the fat content results on this batch.
I'll prep the Milko scan now.
The automated flows seem accurate.
Yes, SNF levels are within tolerance.
I'm initiating the adjustment sequence now. Confirmed. The viscosity is normalizing.
Check the flow rate on the tablet. I'm adjusting the valve now.
Reading steady at 3 degrees Celsius, optimal for production.
Temperature holding steady at 38 Celsius.
Good, maintain the stirring speed.
The drainage here is spot on.
Okay, send it.
Agreed. Let's send it to the press. We are maintaining uniform pressure.
Confirmed. Cycle is complete on row 2.
The texture seems consistent across the batch, and the thickness is exactly 20 millimeters here.
The density seems consistent.
Calipers confirm the thickness. Looks good.
Firmness is excellent on this batch. Noted. Elasticity seems consistent as well.
one is broken.
Yes, put it in the reject pile. The others look good.
The creaminess is excellent, very fresh.
I agree. The mouthfeel is incredibly smooth.
Check the vacuum seal on line 3. Looks good from here, supervisor.
Okay, this pallet is for the hotels. Is the temperature logged?
Yes, checked at -18, manifest signed.
Is the temperature holding steady?
Yes, perfectly within range. Everything is verified and ready for dispatch.
Make sure the red packages are in the front.
Got it. How many more boxes left?
Only 2 more on the pallet. Should we get this brand? It seems very creamy. Yes, the packaging looks great too.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. We're proud to deliver fresh, high-quality paneer made with care. Like, share, and subscribe for more.